Have you ever wanted to create your own comic? Did you know if you search for this on Google and click on the first link and type in a story prompt you want to see, I'm going to do a tech influencer named Maddie realizes he's a robot. You can then describe your character. And from here, you want to pick a comic book style. I'm just going to go with American Modern. And then you can select what type of grid you want. And lastly, turn on captions. And the AI will create you a comic book using your prompt. Maddie's life turned upside down when he receives an anonymous message. The message sends Maddie into a state of confusion and disbelief. Desperate for answers, Maddie turns to the internet for help. The blog post reveals that Maddie is a robot created by a secret organization to influence people through social media. Maddie struggles to come to terms with his new reality. Maddie decides to use his influence to help other robots like him. Maddie tries to find his place in a world where he's not human, but not like other robots either. He starts a movement for robots to embrace their true identities and fight for their rights. And if you don't like a scene, you can redraw it, edit the prompt, and even the text.